Well, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick get ready with me. I'm just going to be styling my hair. I have a new wig, and this wig is by RPG Show, and you know me, I have worked them many times before. I absolutely love their wigs, and I wanted to try like, I don't know, I wanted to try an ash blonde, like cool toned color this time, so I opted for this wig. So I will put all the information in the description box as usual, and they are doing a big anniversary sale right now, so you can definitely get some discount on some amazing wigs. Absolutely love them. They're all HD wigs, so I'm just going to go straight into it and talk you through how I got these really pretty colors. I absolutely love this. Is probably one of my favorite hair colors I've done to date. I absolutely love this hair color. Yeah, so if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. So I have placed the wig on my head. I bleached the knots. The knots do come slightly bleached, but I wanted to go in a little bit more so that when you part it, you can really see the part. Although I do have a wig cap underneath as well, so that kind of gives, you know, the illusion of a light parting. That makes sense. But yeah, it's always good to bleach the knots with these wigs because it just helps. It just looks better, especially like the hairline. It looks a lot better, and it gets rid of all the dark, you know, the dark knots and stuff. So I am just gonna place this where I want it, and I think I'm gonna curl it on my head. Usually I've been curling my wigs off like on a mannequin, but let's curl it on my head today. It's just, I don't know, just so I show some face, you know. I do find that sometimes, though, as much as it's a lot neater when you curl it off your head, there's certain curl patterns that only work when it's on your head, if that makes sense. The way like you position the curling one and stuff like that. So sometimes I end up having to recurl it when I put it on my head, but it does save a lot of time. The lace, as you can see, is HD lace. They do literally one of the best wigs because their wigs, all of their wigs are HD lace, and it is actually HD lace. Because a lot of like these hair brands advertise like, oh, it's HD lace, but it really isn't. But this, it's so thin. I don't even need to like spray it with some tint spray. I definitely wanted more like a cool tone ash blonde. I don't think I've ever shown that on. I don't think I've ever worn an ash blonde wig like ever. I'm cutting it in a zigzag just so that it doesn't look round. It looks more natural when it's in a zigzag. Oh shit, cut the side too much. I'm going to do the sides first. I think I cut this side a little bit too much, too short. So I'm going to do the sides first, and then I'm going to work in the middle. This weather like does not want to make its mind up. It is literally the middle of the end. We're pretty much the end of June. It is so cloudy out there. It's crazy. Like, I haven't really been going out as much as a lot of people have, like over here in the UK. Finally started going out, and the weather said no. I think hopefully from not next week, the week after, it's gonna go back to normal because I got places to be. You know, I've just been so cooped up at home. I'd just rather be away, not just doing stuff in London. As much as there's a lot of things to do here, I just can't believe I haven't been away in 2 years. It is wild. My brother and my sister-in-law are currently in Portugal for like a whole month. So jealous. Like, I really wanted to go join them, but I don't think I'm going to be able to. I don't think I'm going to have the time to. I would like to think I will go away before the end of the year, but don't know. I don't know. I'm actually using the Got2b. It is pretty effective if you, especially for like hot weather, if you actually use a blow dryer, make sure that your hairline's actually dry. So use some rubbing alcohol first and then apply it, and then you dry it with a hair dryer. It should like literally not budge. just to contain the hairline, I'm using my Got To Be Ultra Glued, the black one, just so I can lay the hairline a lot flatter. I'm not putting too much, just a tad. Okay, so we are going to curl this hair. Using my T3 micro curling wand. I've seen a lot of people use this one. I feel like a lot of people, maybe I'm late to it, but they did send me like a bunch of their curling tools, but it's actually pretty good. It is pretty good. It gets very hot. Just make sure you don't actually melt your hair, because you know it can get very hot and melt your hair. But yeah, it's very, very good. It's very good. It holds the curl very well as well. Just gonna run my hands through it. Ooh, this is pretty. Pretty. This is actually gorgeous. Oof. I need to redo this one. So yeah, this is pretty much the finished look. I honestly absolutely love it. Like, I have nothing else to say. Like, it's perfect. I absolutely love it. The curls are stayed in. It just looks so nice. So pretty. Yeah, I definitely need to go somewhere because I cannot be at home and not have to rock this hair. This is like, I need to show off this hair. This is perfect. So hopefully somebody's son will come and pick me up, because this is giving what it's supposed to give, honestly. I'll put all the hair specs in the description box as usual. Definitely loving this hair. This colour is actually bomb. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any more videos you want me to do specifically, let me know and I'll get those out to you. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.